In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a team member from a Wrike project. This is really useful when someone moves to a different team, leaves the company, or simply no longer needs access to a specific project. Keeping your project sharing list clean helps protect sensitive information and makes it easier to manage who can see what. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you have the right permissions to change sharing settings on the project. Typically, you'll need to be the project owner, an admin, or have full access to that specific project. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need to check with your workspace administrator. Start by locating the project you want to update. You can find it from the left-hand navigation in your relevant space, or by using the search bar at the top of Wrike if you know the project name. Once you see the project in the list or table view, hover your mouse over it. On the right side of the project name, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the project's options or more actions menu. Click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Wrike keeps most of the project level settings, including the sharing options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Share and click on it. This will open a sharing panel or pop-up showing you everyone who currently has access to the project. You should see a list of users and possibly groups or teams along with their access levels. Now find the specific person you want to remove from the project. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct user, especially if there are people with similar names. To the right of their name, you'll see a small X icon. Clicking this X removes their access to the project. Click on the X next to that user's name. You should see them disappear from the list, indicating that they're no longer included in the project's sharing settings. If you change your mind, you can always re-add them later from this same share window. Once you've removed the correct person or people, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button in the sharing panel and click on it. This step is important because if you close the window without saving, Wrike may not apply your changes. After saving, that team member will no longer have access to the project or its tasks, based on your workspace configuration. And that's all you need.